Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 3rd, subject Marigold. Textbook. In our last video, we have completed Unit 2 in textbook and workbook also. Now today we are going to start our Unit 3. Little by little. Here a poem given. This poem is about an acorn, or it also called a oak nut. This poem is about journey of a oak tree, how it's becoming a mighty tree. As you can see here, a oak tree's picture given, it produces seeds. It called an acorn. We all know that a plant develops from seed, same as oak tree develops from an acorn tree. From an acorn. So let's see. First we will recite this poem. After that we will try to understand. So let's start. Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Read about how the little acorn grew big. So little by little, let's recite. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appeared, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. So let's see what an acorn saying. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Improving means becoming better in its growth process, step by step and slowly. While it growing, it sank in its mossy bed. Mossy bed, it means a moist surface in which the seed is sown underneath the earth. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. It is saying the acorn is sipped the dew and growing every day. As you can see in this picture here, dew drop on this leaf. Okay, let's see what it's saying in next stanza. Downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. After some time, we can notice new leaves on the thin branches. Slender. Slender means leaves. These thin branches grow out and develop into a mighty oak tree, and thus becomes forest's pride. Okay, now we have learned some new words in this poem. So let's see their meanings. So I have written here their meanings for better understanding. So let's see new words. First one is hidden. Hidden means invisible, slowly, at a slow speed. Downward means towards a lower point. Slender means thin. Mighty means very powerful. Branches means part of a tree. Pride, a feeling of joy due to some achievements. Improving means becoming better. Sip, to drink in small quantity. And shoot means parts of a plants that grow above ground. So how many words we have learned? Let's see. Hidden, slowly, downward, slender, mighty, branches, pride, improving, sipped, suit. Okay, now our next activity. Reading is fun. Here are some questions. We will try to give them answers. Okay, let's see. First one is, name the tree that the acorn grows into. So, name the tree that the acorn grows into. So, answer is acorn grows into the oak tree. Second one, what things does a seed need to grow? What things does a seed need to grow? So, answer is a seed needs water, sunlight, soil and moisture to grow. How many describing words can you find in this poem? How many describing words can you find in this poem? So here, little, mosey, deep, thread-like, tiny, slender, wide and mighty. Now, talk time. Look at the two pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. Observe this picture for few seconds and find 4 things that are different about these trees. So first one, as you can see, the tree in picture 1 is happy. The tree in picture 2 is sad and crying. Then the tree in picture 1 is giving a lot of us humans. And the picture 2 is not getting anything from us. The nest in the picture 1 is proper in shape. As you can see here, the nest in picture 2 is damaged by us. The picture 1 is landed with fruit. The tree in picture 2 does not have even a single fruit. Okay, now our next activity is let's write. Look at picture 1. Write 3 sentences on what the trees give us. So here you have to write that what the trees give us. So the trees give us fresh air to breathe. Then they provide us fresh fruits and vegetables. They also give us nutrition which are used in making medicines. Now look at picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. So let's see. We use the wood of the trees for burning and other needs. We damage the nets on the trees and force birds to fly away from their homes. We use the stems of the trees to make furniture. Now here, this word describe part of a tree. Write them in the given space. So here are some words given, means a part of trees name given. So we have to describe it. Okay. So let's see. First one is stem. It assists the tree in standing straight. Bark. It is the outer layer of the tree. Leaves. Leaves prepare food for the tree. Branch. The branches of the tree bear leaves, fruit and flowers. Twigs. Twigs are the little shoots that grow from a stem or a branch of the tree. Root, it is the part from where the tree begins to grow. This part grow inside the earth. And shoot, it is the new growth from the seed germination. Now next is match the opposites one has been done for you. So here are some words and we have to match it. So first one done, mighty. Mighty, what is the opposite of mighty? Mighty means very powerful. So its opposite is weak. Then downward. So what is the opposite of downward? Yes, upward. So we will match it here. Then slowly. So what is the opposite of slowly? Fast. So we will match it here. Then next is slender. Slender means slenders. What is the opposite of slenders? It's fat. Here one left, little. What is the meaning of little? Means small. So what is the opposite of little? Means big. So here match with big. And day. So day, night. So this whole activity you have to write it in your textbook. Thank you.